All right, what's up, guys? Evan Aldo here. Exactly as predicted, we dumped down to about 40K. Got this one right, and I've been long since 40.1 or 40,100 about. Locked in some profits here. Next take profit for me is about 47.30. So nice scalp long so far. Could become a day long or swing long potentially if this is the bottom. It could be, seeing how we had such a nice bounce off of this area, it would make sense to have a nice, correction on the way up, kind of like over here back in August, about 12% correction. What's the percentage from here? It's obviously higher than 12%, but 14%, nothing too crazy. So looking at these higher time frames, 3-day, you got a red X right here. You're about to print a red dot on market cipher B. Your RSIs are curving back down. Not the best sign, so now I'm being more cautious with the longs and more greedy with my shorts. Still have a little bit of my short open all the way from 42, I believe, the other day. That was another call in the Discord. So yeah, and the daily here, red X, not the best sign. It's not confirmed though. These dots, a lot of these dots, you got to wait till they confirm. So there is some hope, especially with the money flow coming up. There is some hope that this could be healthy correction. My main view is that, if we lose 40K, most likely we will test, 34, 35K, this general area around here, especially this spiral line. This is a major point at 35K, kind of the macro bull market support area in my view. There is some hope at 37 up here, but I don't know. I feel like if we lose 40K, we're heading to 35. That's what I feel like. Moving on to your 12-hour, there's some hope on the 12-hour. I mean, you're in the green still. Your VWAP's curving up. This could be just a healthy correction to, scare off a lot of the degenerate longs who are just going, thinking we're going all the way up to 75K, like I've been saying. But, it's still in the cards. Still in the cards for 75K by the summer. That is one possibility if the bullish case does play out, if we do keep our macro bull market support area. And, yeah, 8-hour. You're curving up with the VWAP, so your 8-hour, there is some hope. It doesn't look too bad. RSI is coming down, not the best thing, but it doesn't look too bad. And your 4-hour, you're coming into the red here, but the last time you came into the red from the green over here, you were bottoming out pretty quickly. We would come down to about 35 if that happens, but yeah, we'll see. Sometimes it changes. Yellow X in your 2-hour, so in red dot, not the best sign. But that's okay. We just did a quick scalp trade and we locked in profits pretty quickly, or I should say I did. And that's a nice bounce off of there. When you have a nice bounce, this is indicative of a possible trend reversal. When you have a nice bounce like this, I mean, look at just right here, 3% just like that happened again. Probably a lot of people foamed into the longs, got stopped out, and then here we go. Now you finally turn around here, 2% bounce. So there is hope. There is hope. I wouldn't, bet the farm on it, obviously. None of this is ever financial advice, but there is some hope to come up a bit here. Let's move on to Ethereum right now. So Ethereum is generally the same. Our 2-day has a red dot here. This looks pretty bad in this 2-day time frame curving into the red. But, if you go back, look at the last time you were in the red here. You came up a lot. That was signaled your bottom. Over here, you came down more. A bit more from, when did we curve over? Kind of from here or whatever. You came down another 30%. So that was kind of our almost part of, the real bear market bottom was here. Then we had this mini bull market. So kind of interesting how that happened back there. But, it means that you probably won't come down much more than, another 50% before the bottom or whatever. So sometimes these curve around. And you're in the red here, so last time we were in the red in this area, indicative of our bottom over the summer, and you're curving up. So there still is some hope. Your red dots, red X's here, not the best sign. Put some new spiral lines, experimenting with some new spiral lines on ETH. I haven't shared them with the exclusive Discord just yet because I don't know if they're really that great or really worth looking at. Just been experimenting with them. So far they haven't been really useful. But maybe down here, it's kind of just coincides with the ones I already had. So we'll see what happens with that. You don't have your VWAP curving up on the 12-hour just yet, so it looks a little worse than Bitcoin. And your RSIs are curving down, not the best look. Your VWAP's coming up here on the 8-hour. There is some hope. Your 4-hour, in the red. The last time you were in the red here, you're getting close to the bottom. So this area, this pocket, 2,500, you should, nice psychological area. If we do come that low, great place to look for at least a scalp along there. And, last time you were in your red on the 2 hour, you were basically at the bottom here. So there is some hope. That's what I will say. There is definitely some hope. And yeah, these lower time frames, you're trying to come up back into the green on the 15-minute. Bitcoin does look a little bit more bullish on the lower time frames. I guess almost like a snake eyes on the 10-minute. Kind of a little bit of a reversal here, so not the worst sign. All right, guys, hope you enjoyed the video. If you want to check out my exclusive Discord with some of my trade calls, all of that, stop losses, entry points. We've had a lot of good trades there. I'm not going to be right 100% of the time. Nobody is, but with good risk management, I've done very well with my techniques. If you want to get my trading course, doing a discount right now, link in the description below. Discount code TRADEFOREVER, 16% off the trading course, and show you exactly how I do my trades, all my exclusive techniques, my risk management, trading psychology, why I think the majority of people fail at this. So check it out. I think it's going to help you guys out a lot. And if you want to get Market Cipher, my link in the description below with a discount code. And BITGET, FEMEXC, there are some good promos going on right now. Check those out if you want to help support the channel. I think that is it, guys. All right, have a good one. Goodbye.